Hello there guys, welcome back to my video. In today's video we're going to do a camera test for the Hoover H-wash 300 Plus. Don't mind the lighting at the top here, that happens to every camera because of this stupid window that's right there. But nothing I can do about that. Anyway, in this video, like I said, we're going to use this for the first time in a while. You know, Hoover H-wash. But I've got this little load here. It's my dressing gown and it's a couple of sheets and underwear in that. So we're going to load the machine up and get washing. Enjoy. Okay, if you hear any music, that's next door. I can't, control there being music, I'm afraid. I got it blasting. Let me just check the dressing gown pocket to make sure this. Okay, the lace just fell out, that's fine. That can just go in there now because it just started falling out, so that can go in there, out of the dressing gown. Checking the pockets in case there's stuff in there, which... Oh, the door open again. Sorry. The door open again. Let's keep open. Is it not like that at all? Oh, bother. Right, yes, there's tissue in that pocket. Right. Load these up. And then this. What cycle should I use one? Okay. And actually, I could use the 44 minute one. It's going to be annoying if we can't shut this door with a film. Don't know if you heard that guys, but I need to do a quick wash because we've got roast going on soon. So for today only, it's only going to be a quick wash just this once. Okay guys, just this once. Now, in this cupboard here I've got water balls which are here. I've got loads and loads of orange and blue ones, so I'm going to put 2 of each in, 2 orange and 2 blue. There you go. No, everything's staying. Oh, okay. Right. Can I tell it about this while filming? Hang on. Oh, even better, this camera actually turned up the brightness while filming. The last one didn't. Even better. Right, now let's get the powder in. I'm not going to show you the drawer today guys because I've got to be quick, so next video though I'll show you me putting the powder through the drawer and stuff. So, yeah. I don't know what powder we've got because it's in this box. Mum, what powder do we have? Oh no. And whoa, got a very dented as the softener. So let me just put the powder in. There you go, that's about a whole scoop of. Right, so in the softener. If you hear a talk in the background, it's just from my TV, the door won't shut, so nothing I can do, I'm afraid, because the door's stupid. But the microphone's facing the washing machine, so you should hear this more than you can on the TV. So that's how they work. Anyhow, we're gonna go there. Let me switch the machine on. There we are. Of course, we want a 1600 up and spin. I would use 60 for sheet guys, but like I said, today's just a quick wash because Mum wants to, you know, put a roast on. Wait, let me. What's 30 minutes? It's 34, isn't it? Yeah. 44 minutes with an extra minute. 50. So no, we'll do. Just do 44-minute wash. 1600, 40 degrees. Alright, I will lower the camera and we shall start. Enjoy. I wish the next door wouldn't play their music as loud, but nothing I can do. There you go, enjoy. Taking that down a little bit. Oh yeah, you're lucky I checked everything on pockets because yes. I hope you like the new quality guys, because I most certainly do. Birthday money well spent in my opinion. And Mum will agree with me too, so yeah. There's that, that's good. And the camera's supposed to be 5K as well guys, so I hope you like the quality. It also has night vision as well. Night vision, see? I love this camera, man. Literally love it. I don't know if it does any interns on this cycle because the net doesn't do it on the Cotton Care 59, so I'm not using that one. That's why I'm not using it, because I want to try and see if it does any on this cycle. I hope you can hear it alright because it's very quiet because the water level's not that high. So. So what, Phil? Yay. better, isn't it? We can hear it a bit more now. That's a sock, I believe. No. Go lie down, come on. Out of the way. Come on. Good boy. Oh, Chop, no, come on. Come on. Yeah, that's a good boy. Thank you, Wind. I really wish I could do something about that music, but I can't. So I'm sorry YouTube if you want to copyright me, I'm really sorry, I can't do anything about it. It's a very hot day today, so everyone's in the sunny mood with their music and stuff. "39 minutes left already, guys." Stop. Stop it. No, no, stop it. Go lay down. Chop, move. Bro. Keeps trying to lick my arm. I don't want to lick my arm. Such a hard life, eh, Chop? There you go. Yeah, a bit brighter, isn't it? One thing I like about this camera, guys, is it's brighter on the camera than it is in real life, so I can see more when looking on the camera, so I'll be looking at the machine through the camera. I put the orange and blue washables in there just so you can see a bit more than just grey and white. You know, as you'll see right about there, let's see, bit of orange and blue. And that was a bit of a thud. It's all balling out, that's great. That's lovely. You alright, Mum? Yeah, good, thank you. Them 3 minutes went down a bit slow, guys. I can slightly hear the heater now, guys. You know, I just heard that. That's how good the quality of this camera is. That is the fridge just turning on there. The fridge. There you go, it's not as balled up now. I mean it is, but it's not. Don't know what that reload click was, but I think that was the heater turning off, didn't he? Yeah, that must have been the heater turning off. How long have I been recording for? 8 minutes. So now it's balled up, very balled up actually. That just scared the life out of me, dishwasher. Dishwasher, can you shift please? It's not, is it? It's not switching. It's like, no, 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 I don't want to shush. Bro, how long is that going to down for? The pump. Typical. Very typical. Thank you. Also, you're going to hear a noise in a minute, and that's just the fridge because it's a little bit dodgy at the moment. Listen. Never mind, car took over. Hear that little rumbling noise you heard a second ago? That's the fridge. I don't know what's wrong with it, why it's doing that, but you're going to hear that for the whole cycle, I expect, because it's still on for a little long time. Very long time. Half an hour left exactly. What stupid music is that? What music is that? That's the train. Whoa, that's very broad out. "25 minutes left." I don't know when it starts raining on this cycle, to be honest. Fly, you can bug off. Fly, can you not when I'm filming? playing that music louder as well, just so I can get copyrighted. First drain at 20 minutes. Lovely. Don't know if we spin, like I said. I know we won't spin that. No, we don't spin. Okay. But at least not on this one. That gives a little tumble at the end there. First rinse anyway. $14 minutes left now, guys. Also, the zoom is pretty good in this as well. Look at the zoom. That's pretty good zoom. Nice water level there. Could have done with that on the wash, really, couldn't we? But you know, can't complain. I believe this next drain will be an intermediate spin because I'm on a Hoover length. That's the case. That is the case. Obviously, you all know before me because I'll put the first intermediate spin and that as it starts draining. So yeah, as of right now, though, I don't know, but you do. Yes, this is a spin, I believe. Yeah, first intermediate spin, let's see what happens. That might be okay. Might be, in brackets. Well, it doesn't spin this bit, does it? Same. It does not spin this bit. It doesn't actually, does it? Yeah, it does. Okay. Yeah, that should be okay. Yeah. Well, I hope this spins anyway. Yep, here we go. Whoa, Sazlock coming. That's the first time I've ever seen this machine Sazlock. Thing is, that's all this does on a spin there. It'll go on for empty in a second. Final run. Now. Don't know what the levels will be like on this one, but we'll see. I'm hoping that everyone will be like the last rinse, hopefully. I've got film now, there you go, know it. Taking in that Asda fresh cotton softener. Final spin, I believe. Oh no, that was just a short tumble for some reason. No, on to short tumble. Now on final spin. So it does 2 short tumbles before the final spin. That's how I know, because it indicates by doing that it's getting close to the final spin. Lovely, it's all balled up. Not good. Can everything stop creaking? So the water gone from the drain. Nearly. Alright, here we go, let's see what we're going to get. Don't know whether that is going to spin that or not. It may well. Yeah. Or not. Nope. Yes, I don't know. Can't really balance it. You shouldn't even respin either, so that's good. Stop the time, yeah? Don't slow down too much, you're going to mess up where you're distributing and you won't spin. Thank you. It's like it is in the middle. Okay, let's rebalance it. It's got a very low pump, I must say. 4 minutes now, it might run out of time. Depending on how much of a fuss it kicks off. Yeah. Cool. Bruh, can you just spin off something? That's fun. I'm dropping stuff. Alright, that's fine. Come on. You can spin that. Thank you. Second burst. Yeah? 2 minutes, but it's double balance until like 3 or 4. Pump spin off. There you go. No, I say I'm missing that. It's going to be a bit rattly, guys, because you can see the load deflector up there shaking around. See? And I can feel it on the floor as well. No way, that's actually rattling quite a bit. Pump up again. And back on. It likes to sound like an airplane. It's tugging as well. RPMs that well, I don't know. RPM reader, but that's upstairs somewhere. Don't know where. Nowhere near. They're still getting faster. Right there again. Right, I will see you when the machine unlocks. Right then, I hope you guys have enjoyed that as much as I have. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, please. Turn the notification bell on. Stay safe. Look after yourselves. And take care. Bye for now. Bye guys.